Hi everyone, welcome back to my learnings. So in this video I want to explain you how to create highlighted cursors or the customized cursors. As you know, when you are taking online classes or offline classes using laptop or desktop, it is good if you have some kind of highlighted cursors to get the attention of the students. So before entering into our topic, I request you to subscribe my channel to get more videos and these kind of digital tools. So let us start. So as you can see, so this is one kind of image I am going to use. You just remember, this is an image which is PNG type. Okay, so let us start. The very first step is to install the software called Real World Cursor Editor. Real World Cursor Editor. Let me zoom back. So just click on it. So I will be providing you the downloading link of this particular software. You just need to install the software, and after that when you open that, this is the starting page you will be getting. Here you will be getting one option to enter email and password to log in, but here you need not to log into this particular software because we are not going to use this software much. Our requirement is very simple. We need to use this software to create a simple customized cursor. Okay, anyhow you will be getting different tutorials if you want to work with this software more. Okay, so for our case, you just start with this create option, click on create, then select the very first option, new mouse cursor. You will be seeing the second option which I have shown the cursor image. You will be seeing that one. So first we will see how to create this particular arrow with a background yellow color. So select on this new mouse cursor, then here bottom right side you will be getting a option called create. Okay, click on that create. Let me zoom back. So this is the page of the software, I mean editing page. So here you will be having different options. You can see, let me zoom in. See, make arrow shape, make animated clock, make animated dots, and make animated by. So many options are there, but we require only this make arrow shape. Let me zoom out. So you just click on that. So generally you will be getting here white and white color generally, but here my intention is to create a pure black arrow and in the background a yellow color. So for that reason I am choosing pure black color here. And you can change the settings to change the size of the head and to change the size of the tail. Okay, so then after that you just click on OK. So now you need to move this particular cursor, arrow cursor. For that you go to this top right side and top left side. Let me zoom in. So this is the option, just click on this, select this particular ellipse selection. This ellipse selection is for to create a circle, but before that you just select the drag, move option to move this particular arrow. So now you select that ellipse selection. The moment when you click on this ellipse selection, you will be getting two options, this side, right side, circle and ellipse. So let me select circle. By default it will be circle only, so select circle. So now on the screen you need to draw this circle. You will be getting a plus symbol. Next you need to use the mouse to create a circle. So this is the circle. You can reduce the size also if you want this, like this. So try to insert this particular circle towards the tail. Okay, next, now I need to fill this particular area, circle area, with yellow color. So here you have an option flood fill, just click on it. Now you select yellow color. By default it is there, yellow color. If it is not there, you select to yellow. then click here. So you will be getting your required cursor, black arrow with background yellow. Some pixels are not filled, you can fill those if you want, or otherwise you can leave it. That's enough, because you can see in the preview. This is the preview, you can see it is looking good, so it's okay. But if you can have time, you can fill this. Okay, done. So we are done with this, our first cursor. Just go to file and click on save as. So here you need to give name. Choose any folder, because I already in some particular folder I am giving directly name. Don't change the file extension, that is .cer, just give the name. So I have given name as yellow. Click on OK. So now we are done with the first cursor. Now let us see the customized cursor, that means from image. So for that, go to file and click new. Now you select the second option, cursor from image. So again create. Now you need to select the customize, whatever the image you want to customize. So as I said in the starting, I want to use this cursor hand, and that must be, of course it can be JPEG also, but if it is PNG, you can do more kind of customization. So click on OK. So this is my particular PNG icon. If you want, you can move this and anything you can do, but for me, okay, let me move it. Okay, now I want to fill this with again yellow. Done. Super. You can see the preview. Okay, let me zoom in the preview. Okay, if you want to fill this remaining pixels also, you can fill those. Like this, you fill the remaining pixels which are not filled properly. Okay, so that's enough. Done. So if you want to add more heads, you can use these shapes. Rectangular selection, let me choose rectangular selection, and let me choose other color. Okay, any color you can choose. Let me choose this blue color. Okay, just fill it. Done. Now you can see it is what somewhat hand shape. So now we are done with the second customized cursor. Save as. Now you can select as a cursor hand here. Click on OK. So done. Just close it. So now you need to change this particular cursor. So for that, you go to control panel. Just go to control panel, and in the search control panel you can select, you can type it as a mouse. Then the very first one is change mouse settings. Click on change mouse settings. Go to the pointers. Now here there is the option browse. Click on browse. Now you go to the folder where you have saved those two cursors. So I have saved here. So these are the two. Let me zoom in. Okay, these are the two. First let me try with the one. The same procedure you can do with the second also, because it's done, it is there already. So just open and apply. The moment you click on apply, see the cursor changed. Okay, you can try with other kind of settings. You can generate some flame here, some kind of animation, but this is fair enough to get the attraction of the student. And I have shown the customized way also, I mean with our interested image also. Okay, so these are the two things I want to convey. And the extra tool is, so in between I have used this zoom in and zoom out option. See, some area I want to zoom in, like this computer I want to show. this computer icon, I want to zoom in. See, I'm able to zoom in this area, and I can zoom in more also. Now I can zoom out. For this, what actually I am doing is on my keyboard. Let me show you a keyboard because I cannot use the camera now. Open in new tab. Open image in new tab. So here option is there, this Windows symbol. Again I am using the same thing, Windows symbol and this plus and minus. When you are clicking window and at the same time plus, that means zoom. Again if you are clicking plus, again you are going in deeper, like you are going in zoom in. And if you come out, if you want to come out, then you click on minus. So right now I am going to come out. For that I am going to click, right now I am using Windows symbol and minus. Now I am clicking on, I am holding the Windows symbol right now and I am clicking on plus. So same thing I am doing. So now let me show you again. So here let me show you one example again. So in this software, when I am explaining, I want to show you the option where you can find out the fill the color option. For that, see, the icon is very small. So in order to show you right now, what I am doing is I am clicking on Windows symbol and clicking on plus both the time. Okay. The only thing is you need to place the cursor on the particular icon. Which one you want to show? I mean, where you want to zoom in, you need to place the cursor. Let me give one more example. If I want to show you this option, new option, this right side. So for that, first I need to move my cursor over there. Then I need to click this Windows symbol and plus. And after this, you can release this Windows symbol and plus, and you can move the cursor wherever you want. The zoom in, whatever the zoom in position, that will be there, that will be retained. So now if you want to come out, just again you click the Windows symbol and minus. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you so much.